It's hard to find a trail in Colorado that isn't amazing in its own way, but there are some trails that truly stand out above the rest, and Red Cone is one of those trails. All right, y'all, we're here at the start of Red Cone Trail. It's officially the first day that this trail is open. So we've heard a couple of guys run it before us that have said that there's still some snow drifts, but it's gonna be a super exciting day. We're taking the Bronco out and we're taking the Jeep out, and we've got the family and the whole crew here. Christian's ready this time.
I love steep downs. This is my trail.
Located west of Webster, Colorado, and about an hour and a half from Denver, Red Cone Trail stands as a true gem in central Colorado's breathtaking landscape. Known for its iconic 12,000-foot peak, which is shaded in vibrant hues of deep red. Riders are treated to awe-inspiring views of the southern Rocky Mountains, providing a truly unforgettable experience.
This section has a few sort of boulders sticking up, but it doesn't look too bad. I'll get through it and then I can help you guys get through it.
Okay.
This is absolutely gorgeous driving through here though, with all the trees covering it like a tunnel.
Yeah, it really is.
Until now, the trail has been relatively smooth, with scattered rock outcroppings and the occasional larger stones. However, around the half-mile mark, we encountered our first major obstacle.
I get weird, but I took my
I was like, no shirt.
Yeah, that was easy.
a little toasty. Yeah.
That's good.
You're gonna be so tan.
I know.
Let's
so
do it.
tan.
Can't waste an opportunity.
Unfortunately, Christian, I can't be on our YouTube channel without a shirt, so
Why not?
it's illegal.
It's not illegal.
All right, Christian's gonna get out and film on this one.
Big boulder.
There's a couple of big boulders, but you're good.
You'll be fine.
The key on this one is not to tilt into that giant rock that's on the right. I'm gonna put my tire straight on that.
More passenger.
Passenger?
Yeah,
I don't want to hit this big rock.
you're good.
Still good? Oh, I'm hitting. Good?
Yeah.
All right. The first of Red Cone's obstacles conquered. After we made it through, it was Dustin's turn in his stock Bronco Badlands Sasquatch on 35-inch tires. So, I hit right there.
Yeah, so how's he?
He's gonna do it totally fine.
He's gonna scrape his steps either on this boulder or that boulder.
Okay, so here's what we're gonna try to do. I'm gonna line you up with this big left one. Good, just go slow. Yeah. Go more. There you go, slow, more passenger.
Okay. Yeah, so turn passenger right there. And then you're gonna come straight up. But when you get to the top, you don't wanna be going fast because you'll come down and hit. So just get to the top and then we'll go slow over it. Good job. That was probably like one of the tougher obstacles.
your diff's sitting on a rock, but yeah. Oh no, back up. Just reset it.
You guys probably would have been fine. I just went kind of a weird way.
Took a bad line. Christian fixed it though. Mommy to the rescue.
About 1 mile in, we reached an obstacle that can be a little challenging depending on how big your vehicle is. We chose to keep our driver tire on the large rock in the center of the trail and to climb up the rutted out section on the right. Smaller vehicles may choose to go to the left and risk scraping the tree on the edge of the trail. Neither of us had any issues with this section and we didn't need to use loggers.
Slow.
What does that mean?
Slow. It means slow. You're going so fast, I was like, I can't do the hand thing, shit. I was like, my brain didn't work that fast.
From here on out, we made our way up the rock garden towards the tree line. Just when we thought it was clear sailing to the top, we ran into a little snafu because the Gladiator is so long.
I think if I put my ass like...
Just wait.
I got
you
it,
have to hit the drone.
I'm not gonna hit you.
Okay, I need to do this.
You got it. Chris is yelling at me.
Back straight. Keep going. Steady.
There you go.
There you go. Now reposition yourself.
Now go all the way to the right. Yeah. Whoa, that's tippy. No, keep going this way.
Honey.
Yeah, keep going because it's long. Okay, almost until you're there. Keep going. I can see you. Okay, now crank it all the way this way.
It's all the way cranked.
Oh, it is? Okay.
If you can't tell, off-roading can get tense sometimes, even more so when you're married and you've got the whole crew with you, dogs and all. But we always do our best to work through it and come out stronger on the other side.
From here on out, it's a beautiful drive through the forest up to the tree line. Once you get to the end of tree line, it's not long before you reach one of the most epic summits in the southern Rocky Mountains, Red Cone Peak.
Sorry, I had a freak out moment. I couldn't see anything, just sky.
We made it to the top of Red Cone Peak. Elevation 12,801 feet. Only like an hour and a half from Denver and 2 hours from Colorado Springs. That's wild. Look at this. So our next challenge is gonna be heading down the super steep down section. Oh my God. Holy crap. Which right here, you have to take Montezuma if you go down this way, but it's pretty dang steep. So we're gonna take this down and then go down back into that valley way down there. What did you think, Jenny?
It was terrifying.
We made it.
But fun.
It was fun.
It was fun.
The Bronco did great.
It did.
All right, now we just got to go down the scary part. Getting some melon.
Show how windy it is.
Sadie's about to take off. The kids are beating each other up as usual. This is why we do this. I mean, this is just so cool. First gear, and just take it slow. If you start to slide, just don't floor it, right? Because you're in first gear. So just give it a little bit of gas. Are you filming, Jenny?
It's July 1st. We're about to go down this mountain to our death.
I'm pretty sure that Chris and Christian are trying to kill us.
Chris
We love
and
you guys.
Christian, quit trying to kill us.
All right, we're at 12, 13.
What does that even mean?
Pitch. We've been at 18 so far today.
16, 15. Wow, I'm looking at the ground right now. Oh, okay. All right, so you're gonna wanna stay to your right here because there's like a big hole on my left.
Copy.
But don't go like super far to your right.
Oh shit.
You say stay to the left or the right?
Stop.
Seriously, what do you say?
Stay to the left or the right?
You'll see, stay to the right, but don't go like a lot to the right, just a little to the right.
Oh my gosh.
It's all good.
We're at 18. 20. Oh my god. Ooh. This is pretty crazy. I'm holding at 20 and it's about to get steeper.
Don't kill us.
Yeah, we are a disaster. No problem. Holy crap!
Oh my god.
Look back up at it. Dude, that looks crazy. Wow. I should have went down and got like a video of Dustin coming down it. That's insane.
Yeah, that looks insane looking back. I can't believe it.
But we did it. We did it.
Yay, Quinn.
After making it down that epic descent, we made our way off the trail through Webster Pass to Montezuma. This route is typically optional, but because Webster Pass back to the start of Redcone was blocked by a snowdrift, it was our only choice. We're glad we did though, because this route is absolutely stunning.
All right, so that was Redcone. We finished Redcone and Webster Pass. Christian's not ready once again.
No, you're the enthusiasm. I was like, it's a little over the top, but whatever.
I thought it was a really cool trail. It's definitely a Colorado must-do. It was gorgeous.
I liked it.
What'd you guys think?
It was
amazing.
gorgeous.
Yeah. The hype wasn't, I mean, there's a lot of cool stuff here, but that hill isn't as sketchy as what you guys think.
Going back down?
Come on out, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, come do it.
Yeah, the hill.
5-degree pitch.
25, but that was after you went down the first drop from Redcone. So like going towards Webster Pass, it got steeper actually. But we had a great time and we'll see you on the next one.
Woo!
So it's time to air up, and I have not taken the time to replace my air compressor, but I didn't want to mess with going to a gas station. So we've got this really nice and janky setup here. We've got some extensions going from the battery. all the way down. And we've got, but you know what? If it works, it works.